What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day, back to the channel. Today is an exciting one. I am running on like 3 hours of sleep, but I'm excited because today we get our first carbon fiber piece for the CBR. Here's the box, here's the shipment. I ordered a carbon fiber part from Modu Composites. So we'll see how this fits. I have previously ordered I guess you could, I don't even know what they're called, tire huggers from eBay, and well, it was from eBay, so it did not fit. So here's the piece. I'm not so sure how it's coming out on video, but just judging by the quality of it, just compared to the eBay one, this feels like proper, legit carbon fiber. So I'm excited to see what it's going to look like. It's honestly super simple. 1, 2, 3 bolts, and we'll swap it out. Alright guys, using a T5 to get to, ooh, it's dark, for all those 3 bolts. Check out the sick Coda hat that I got at RR Fest. A little sad that I'm not going to make it to Formula 1 this year. They are going to be racing this weekend. But you can best bet I'll be watching it for sure. Okay, so for some reason it wasn't a direct swap. Essentially it was, I just had to use the spacers, and let me show you what I did. So I had to use the spacer in between here, right. You can kind of see that little shiny piece is a spacer, because without that, this part would essentially settle down and I would start rubbing on the tire. The spacer that comes in the front with a stock piece, and I left it on there, possibly didn't need to, but I figured if I didn't use it, then it would also just lower the whole piece in general again, or even more. So I left it on there, gave it a raise. I didn't have to do anything on the left side. The left side just settled in nicely without having to add a spacer or anything. So it's nice and firm on there. Really, I was just, essentially what you could say is I leveled it. I know you can't really see it, much of the carbon fiber right now, but it looks amazing. It looks great. So I'm just going to take this piece back out and add a little rubber piece, a rubber washer, just to protect the carbon fiber. I've got a lot of things planned for it. I do have new OEM fairings coming because these are kind of, screwed. And planning on doing a lot of carbon fiber goodies to this, as well as a whole bunch of other upgrades for next season. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more. See you next time.